Looking for Kangen water and ionized alkaline water in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand the importance of clean, healthy water for families in Strathcona County. Our Kangen water and ionized alkaline water systems offer a superior way to improve your hydration, detoxification, and overall well-being. We know that residents of Strathcona County value both health and convenience, and Kingstree Plumbing provides expert installation and reliable service to meet those needs. Keep watching to find out why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for Kangen water and ionized alkaline water in Strathcona County.